Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix your DJI Osmo Action 6 not connecting to Mimo app. First, let's do what we can do on the camera. So on the camera, you should reset the wireless settings. To do that, slide down from the top, go to settings, go to wireless connection, then reset connection and tap on reset. Then on your phone, you should also forget the device from the Bluetooth settings. So you may simply need to go to settings, then Bluetooth, and if that Osmo is here, then forget it. As you can see, it's not, so I don't need to do that. And then try reconnecting. And if it didn't help, try restarting the phone and the camera. So let's restart the camera by pressing and holding on the power button, and restart your phone as well, and then try connecting. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.